What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Price with Captain Price Reacts, and today we gonna be watching STR Drea. I took my ScatPack to its first car meet. Oh, shit gone wrong. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Said like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Let me go ahead, fuck you, bitch. Hold on, let me high definition. Hey, I want to go to a meetup one day. One day. See, I don't have a moped. I got a German.
That's why I can't get a successful video. The police shutting everything down. I'm finna go down. I'm finna go downtown. Come on, man. Y'all already know. Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy STR Drea, and I'm back with another video. Today I will be going to my first ever car meet, man. I'm going to my first ever car meet. I ain't bringing nobody with me because I need y'all to give me 3K likes on this video, and I'll bring D-Block with me. I'll bring Darius, Dude, Davo, pull out the black ghosts, pull out the things, man. We'll just pull up to a car meet, man. You know what I'm saying? But listen, y'all been showing mad love on the videos, the likes, the subscribers.
Yeah, because you dropping that content.
Like, consistently. Shout out to all my D-Block queens in there. Shout out to all my D-Block fellas in there, all the real ones in there, you know what I'm saying? But look, I really need y'all help with something. When we hit 100K subscribers, that's a subscriber goal. When we hit 100K subscribers, y'all and me gonna pick out a color to wrap this thing, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna pick out a color to wrap it, you know what I'm saying? So in the comment section, leave me some colors, man. Just give me like an idea of like what y'all feeling, what y'all feel like look good on the man. So when we get to 100K subscribers, we're gonna wrap that thing, man.
I ain't even gonna lie.
Take up too much time. We gonna go ahead
with that joint metallic blue with the roof. I said the roof, the roof black. You hear me? You hear me? That joint that fit him. I ain't even gonna lie, that it fit him.
Straight in this video, man. Let's go. I'm trying to see somebody spin that bitch. You know something, bro? That's great. I got the safety mask in the back of the seat too.
Dre on top.
You know
Come on, man. Y'all already know who it is.
Who the fuck going? We say we finna break the 4 out, man. Hey, all type of shit out there. Hey, boy, what you doing that motherfucker, OG? What you doing that motherfucker, OG? None of that shit. Wild as hell, ain't it? Hey, go ahead, I'm gonna follow you. You got the bird out there. Yeah. We got a brand new stick. Ooh. The late night POV of my brother. We got the bird out. Got the 3-9 deuce out. Late night car meet, man. First ever car meet. Yeah. Pushing out on
car meets go crazy,
yeah.
man. Everybody know go to a car meet but me.
You said what?
See,
you talking about hit that bit one time?
see, I don't do car meets because I ain't got the vehicle for a car meet. You get what I'm saying? I do, but I don't because my shit ain't souped up. But if I get it souped up, it had you. Fuck my shit is souped up, but it's like manufactured. Like I'm about to get some shit done to it. Don't get me wrong. About my baby, you hear me? That motherfucker, I be dogging shit, man. We got me new wheels. There's something I really, really wanted. Like, this ain't going nowhere type wanted. Like, I'm make sure, yeah, you hear me? Like, 70K truck, you hear me? You feel me? Ready that, you hear me? I feel like that bad when I drive that.
Hold on, my boy say, hit that motherfucker.
Truck a conversation piece. You see rappers with like that.
Hit that one time, twin. Oh, that shit right there, twin. Hey, look, y'all nigga got his shirt off, all type of shit. I said, I don't know what little throw on. Can't get that cat, though. Yeah! seeing all the way. Ooh, got it on stick. Ooh. Man, listen, man, the first spot already got shut down. Like 3 minutes in, that motherfucker shut down. But look though, we waiting in like 10 minutes. They're gonna drop another load, and we're gonna go to that one. Hopefully they don't get shut down. Then I'm gonna bring y'all with me, man. So we just waiting right now, man. We got them toys out. You know what I'm saying? We got this 3-9 dudes. We got my twin. Got the motherfucking Hawk out. Bird out. Yes, it's, man, listen. When I went to this thing, it was live, and it got shut down, man. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the next spot, though, man. Next motherfucking location. Hey, my boy, what type of mask that is? I don't even know. Come out there. That shit, right? Appreciate y'all, G. Cover your face over your one. God, well, y'all shot down in this. I have to know if my shots got me caught in. What's happening?
They sliced me up for real.
God damn, OG back there with the shit. What's happening with y'all? So. Like that right now, the folks don't come.
That's how they beat them.
Somebody got to show some something. Damn, that choke line. God damn.
He tweaked the shit out that joint.
Nah, this motherfucker wild, G. Is you right here, OG? Yeah, yo. You spin this? Wait, crazy. Huh? Hey, what's up with you, bro? We getting goddamn yellow mark for this? Oh, God, we getting yellow mark. Bro, we is. Damn. My bird up the boy. They got some out here. I don't know if them shots are goddamn cars. Huh? They gonna roll through. And I'm gonna catch them getting up out of here. All right, clown shoe. Ain't nobody spotting that yet, though, man. I'm trying to see somebody spin something. They don't want to. I'm scared, ain't they? They asked me, was I spending my shit? Oh, no. God is.
I'm gonna take my bags right now.
Once this gets shut down tonight. Once this gets shut down tonight. Hey, don't I know you? Don't I know you? Righteous. You can do that again. I need to see that. You got an inbox.
Damn! You hit me, that motherfucker spinning fire, nigga. That joint sounded mean.
But what the? But what you got in that motherfucker bird? Yeah! Shut down. Coming for that. Oh, my something happened. I'm supposed to smoke it. Slide something, though. What I gave him, I want to control that wheel. What's your tail? What's your tail? All right, let it run. Let it run. Hey. That cherish me. What you drive?
A Jeep. He's telling me a Jeep.
Roll back on you.
Yeah.
For the video.
I'm telling y'all, but a lot of motherfuckers don't see.
I got you, bro.
Hey, somebody go put some water in the salt for the video, huh? You happen to have a Revo? Yeah. All right, this bitch rocking though. Can't get.
Oh, yeah.
I just want to see somebody got them bend some, spin some. No. See, look, they come with all the mind. That's why I ain't trying to really just buy my car up like that. I just want to cherish that little motherfucker. Feed. I thought they was car sitting over there. I thought they was car sitting over there for a little minute. I glanced over there. I said, who that? Damn, snuck down here to the south.
Yeah, my boy, how you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Yeah.
So fucked up right now. You alright? Are y'all on Twitch?
Yeah, I'm live right now.
What the fuck going on? Twitch, y'all already know. Y'all know I am. Listen to me. I see you look familiar, right? No, when it's time to go, it's time to go.
It took me a second. I'm like, hold on.
Come on, in this out here. So ain't nobody gonna spend nothing. That's why I can't.
Bro, that's what I said. I don't know. I ain't never been to this location though. Hey, look, listen, man, my shit, I've been going crazy right now.
What you had?
Man, I had a red eye, bro. You had a red eye?
That's what happened, ain't it?
Yeah.
Well, red eye.
Yes, sir.
I'm trying to send something. This, what they want me to start it off? What they want me to kick it off? Ooh, I got brand new tires. I'm just trying to stay alive. Brand new tires. I'm trying to stay alive. Some little young asked me, do he want me to roll back? And he got a Jeep.
Wait, what?
Oh, I say nah, bro.
Oh, nah, bro, good.
Yeah, nah.
Oh, yeah, bro, we in the South with it, man, straight from New York, man. I'm trying to tell you.
We bro? Damn.
Yeah, man.
You got all down here?
Yeah, I moved down here now.
Oh, that's love. I had to link up. Got to keep doing some things out here. I'm telling you. It's all type of people out here. You hear me? Listen, here we are again. Police done came through one more time. That nigga down. They're gonna law. 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 Wow, they go. This is why I can't get a successful video. The police shutting everything down. I'm finna go down. I'm finna go downtown. Fuck this shit.
So, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I will see y'all in the next video.